Thirikari nĩ thiĩte na mbere na kũmenererio nĩ honge itiganĩte kumana na mĩrũrũngano ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Honge cia gũtetera ihoto cia andũ irauga kũrĩ na maabitha a borithi arĩa mabatiĩ gũkorwo magĩethanwo nao nĩ kwagarara ihoto cia andũ, ũndũ ũrĩa nginyagia rĩu ũtarĩ ũrakinyanĩrio.
Going to pursue command responsibility for those who have been issuing these unconstitutional orders to their officers, and we are also going to be pursuing individual accountability for the police officers who also accept to implement these criminal directives, so that in the future we secure what we call guarantee on non-repetition.
Oho no maratetia thirikari nĩ kwaga kũheana riboti nginyanĩru ya ikuũ na nguraro iria cionekire mĩrũrũngano-inĩ ĩno.
We urge the government, especially the agencies that are mandated to provide accurate information, to verify so that they don't misinform the public, because these are serious matters that do not require guesswork. It should be accurate and authoritative so that Kenyans also believe and trust on the work of the government.
We are also calling on them to ensure accountability for those responsible for the violence and opportunistic crimes seen during the protests, and facilitate open dialogue with citizens to address the root causes of the protest and work towards meaningful solutions.
Mĩario ĩno nĩ nyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ atongoria kanjũ-inĩ ya ndini ya Ithĩramu ya SUPKEM arĩa marauga president nĩ ariganĩirwo nĩ kĩĩranĩro gĩake gĩa kũrũmbũiya andũ a gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ.
Punguza size ya baraza la mawaziri ifike wawe ni 14 pamoja na PS wao, na kwamba cabinet yake iwache mambo ya kufuja pesa na kuzitumia pesa kiholela, na kwa sababu ya kupeleka mambo ambayo si ya maana katika nchi yetu, wastage of public resources.
What we are also saying is that the JSS, which is a very important section of education, cannot be cut down. Those teachers should be employed and money should be found for them. So we are not saying that actually Kenyans should suffer now, and that should not be an excuse for the government to refuse services for the people of this country.
Maugĩte matikũnoga gũthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitĩrĩra andũ ethĩ nginyagia mone maciaro ma maũndũ marĩa makoretwo makĩhũranĩra.
Munapeleka hisia zetu na feelings zetu, na tunaelewa hamaki zenu, na tunaelewa pia matarajio yenu ni yapi, na tuko pamoja na nyinyi kwenye frustration zenu, kwenye vile munavyoungulika, na tuko pamoja na nyinyi kwenye zile sufferings ambazo mumepata kwenye mikono ya polisi.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Macharia.